infographics are a really great way to represent statistics and data that you want to share with your audience as opposed to bullets on a slide. So the way to do that and find templates that already exist in Canva is you're just going to select templates. And when you select templates, you can actually find infographics, but I'm going to actually search. So I'm going to just put in here gratitude infographic. And I misspelled it, but that's okay. If I wanted to, I could look for style. I could also base it on categories if I was looking for a certain category of elements. But I can then look through and see what I can find around gratitude and which size meets my needs. So that's one way to do it. And then I could just open this up and then modify it to whatever I wanted to have in there. The other thing you can do is you can actually go into Canva AI. And if I select Canva AI, and I already have a sentence in here, create an infographic that shows data and statistics around how gratitude can improve overall mental health. I can select design and it'll actually design a certain size for me if I want to do that. I'm just going to leave it as a design. And then I'm going to let it do its magic in terms of creating some directions for my infographics. And you can see that it's putting it in sort of this long vertical format, which is pretty typical for most infographics, although you don't have to have that. And I'm just going to give it a minute to do that. Okay, so here are 4 designs that it came up with, and I could pick one that resonated with me. I can't completely read all of the content on here, so I'm going to select one and see it in a larger size, and I can select each of them then and see what it's given me. I sort of like this design. It's clean. It's got kind of the look and feel of my brand. I could have actually applied my brand to this. If I click on color, I can go through and I can see some different colors that I can apply, but I can also apply my brand later as well. So when I'm ready, I can just click Use Canva Editor. And from here, I can then apply my brand colors. So as I click through here, it's going to rotate my brand colors through. And then if I zoom in on this a little bit, I can see the actual statistics that it's given me. It's given me a quote, and I could go through and make edits to that. But now I have a really quick and easy infographic that I could then put on slides. I could put this in lots of different projects. But that is a really great way to get started with infographics.